Planking, an exercise you've probably heard of, but never realized its true potential. This simple yet mighty exercise can be undertaken by anyone, regardless of their fitness level. It may seem easy at first glance, but don't let that fool you. Its simplicity masks an ability to work your body in a way few exercises can. Planking, when done consistently, can transform your physique and boost your overall fitness. Now, imagine planking for just 1 minute every day. What do you think will happen? Today, we issue a challenge, the 1 minute plank challenge. This challenge is as simple as it sounds, yet the rewards are far from trivial. All it requires is 60 seconds of your day, every day for a month. Yes, just 1 minute devoted to the humble plank, a powerhouse of an exercise that has been celebrated by fitness enthusiasts for its ability to work multiple muscle groups simultaneously. Now, you're probably wondering, why the plank and why for only a minute? Well, the plank is a full body workout that primarily targets your core, the powerhouse of your body. A stronger core leads to better balance, stability, and yes, even that coveted flat stomach. But the benefits of the 1 minute plank challenge go beyond physical fitness. Sure, you'll likely see improvements in your posture and overall strength, but the real magic is in the consistency. By committing to this daily practice, you're cultivating a habit of regular exercise, proving to yourself that you can make time for your health, no matter how busy your schedule may be. And remember, it's not about doing the perfect plank on day one. It's about progress, not perfection. Each day you'll grow stronger, and that 1 minute will feel less like a challenge and more like a victory. It's just 1 minute of your day, but the benefits could change your life. So, are you ready to take the first step towards a healthier you? Let's start with something simple yet impactful: the 1 minute plank challenge. It's more than just an exercise, it's a commitment to your well-being. Squeeze it into your routine, perhaps in the morning to kickstart your day, or in the evening to unwind. Just 1 minute, that's all it takes. This challenge is not about instant results. It's about consistency, perseverance, and gradually building strength. Yes, it might be tough in the beginning, but guess what? That's where the magic happens. That's where transformation begins. You'll start noticing changes, not just physically, but mentally too. It's like a ripple effect. One positive change leads to another, and before you know it, you're on a journey to a healthier lifestyle. So go ahead, take up the challenge, and let's embark on this journey together. Remember, every journey starts with a single step, or in this case, a single plank. But don't go through this journey alone. The power of community is undeniable, especially when it comes to fitness. By subscribing and sharing this video, you're not just taking a step towards a healthier you, you're inviting others to join in the challenge. A shared goal can foster support, motivation, and a sense of camaraderie. Join our community, share your progress, and let's revolutionize our health together. Stay tuned for more content, and remember, a healthier you is just a plank away.